and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm doing a face-off collab with my good friend Karen Harris, and I'm super excited to do this. We are facing off with the Too Faced Gingerbread palette. The shades we are going to be using are going to be Sugar Daddy, Lookie at My Cookie, Gumdrop, Oh Snap, and the final shade is Spiced Rum. I am super excited to be doing this face-off collab with Karen. Well, hello, it's editing Danielle. I realized I forgot to explain what a face-off is. A face-off is where another creator and I use the same palette and the same shades in that same palette to each create a look. The reason that we're doing this is to kind of show that each content creator has a different way of using makeup, has a different way of looking at colors and things like that. Well, now back to our regularly scheduled program. If you guys have not checked out her channel, I will have her channel as well as her video linked down below. I absolutely love that she is, she's a palette collector. She gets pretty much every palette that comes out, and it is so fun to see her swatch parties and just to kind of hear her thoughts on those palettes. So you guys will definitely have to go check her out. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. I'm going to kind of do this more of a talk through kind of a tutorial if you guys are down for that. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Sugar Daddy. I'm actually just going to kind of lightly put this in my crease. It's probably, yeah, it's not even going to really show. It's just going to be more of a transition shade. And I'm just kind of using a kind of like, not really fluffy brush, it's more of like a kind of flat fluffy brush, if that makes sense. That's a fun way to describe that. Good job, Danielle. Then I'm going to go into the Lookie at My Cookie shade, and we're just going to put that into the crease because we're going to build it up to get Gumdrop, and then I'm going to play with Oh Snap and Spiced Rum in kind of a different way. So I'm going to take this blending brush. Yes, it is a Harry Potter blending brush. This one's more of kind of like a peach. It's really close to my skin tone, like up by my eyes, which is kind of funny. I wish this palette smelled more like gingerbread. Like, that's really my only critique. Okay, so now that I have that kind of how I want it, I'm going to go into Gumdrop. And we're going to take this one and we're going to put it like right in the crease, and Gumdrop is that bright pink. I'm kind of just packing it where I want it, and then we're going to blend it out. I don't know, we're going to use a different brush. That one's not liking me. I know it looks like a mess right now, but I promise it's not always going to look this messy. If you guys hear any sounds, it's really windy outside today in Arizona. It's windy and it's freezing cold. Freezing cold to me. I mean, I can't help it. I've lived in Arizona my whole life. I don't do well in the cold. I don't do well when it dips below 70. Okay, I'm going to take that same brush with the shade Lookie at My Cookie, and I'm just going to lightly kind of blend and soften the edges. Okay, so now that that is how I want it, I'm going to take the shade Spiced Rum here, and I'm actually going to put that on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to take this more angled brush to do that. And I'm going to spray it. Because I've noticed that with these shimmers, if you spray it, you get a much better kind of look. I'm going to take it about halfway across my lid. We're going to do that on both eyes, of course. So just so you guys know, Karen and I were supposed to do this collab sometime in the time where I got my kidney stone, and I hadn't been feeling good up to that point, which now hindsight is telling me, oh Danielle, you should have known before then. Should have known before it was like actually traveling. Because that thing was painful. But she and I were supposed to do this collab before. She had the video filmed. I am filming it now. And we're putting it up much later than we both thought we were going to. I'm just telling you guys this just because I mean, Karen's awesome and just has been very patient. Then I'm going to take the shade Oh Snap, and we're going to put that on the beginning half of my eye. Beginning half of my eye. Right here. I mean, I really couldn't film with the kidney stone. And I'm the type of person who is going to feel bad no matter what. I also kind of still feel like I'm a little out of touch with like actually filming and actually doing makeup, which has been kind of an interesting thing. I mean, this look is okay. Not the best. Not the best I've done. It's kind of giving me, I don't know if you guys have watched Smoky Glow's Instagram tutorial, but that's kind of the vibe this looks giving me. No shade to her, because that video cracked me up, and especially at a time where I needed a good laugh. Because, oh my gosh, she is funny. I'm going in with this Covergirl liner because I'm rationing out my pretty vulgar gel eyeliner. I don't know what it is about a good winged eyeliner, but I just feel like it fixes every look. I mean, and these weren't, I wouldn't say these were easy shades to put together. I don't know what it is, but when I do my eyeliner, I have to have like a closer mirror. I have a mirror like right here, but there's something with like my eyeliner that I just need a closer mirror. So I'm going to go in with this Smashbox Full Exposure mascara that I got in, I think when I was doing Sephora Play. Yep, it was when I was doing Sephora Play. And just a side note, I have canceled my BoxyCharm. I am not getting any subscription boxes, which I know I originally said with my low buy that I was doing was going to still get that, but I decided to cancel it for the time being. I might resubscribe later on because it's still an option within my low buy, but I'm not so sure. Just because I was kind of thinking about it, and I think for the first few months of 2019 I might actually do more of a no buy than a low buy, just because I have so much makeup to play with and I need to. I need to play with it, I need to use it, I need to do something. Okay, as for my lipstick, I think I'm going to go in with this ColourPop lipstick. It is in the shade Bianca. I need to mix it up. It's been kind of sitting there. It's kind of a very nude shade. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's like stuff banging around outside. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check on that after this. You know what? I need one more thing. I just do. I can't help it. It needs it. We're gonna go in with my Stila Heaven 2 highlighter. And I'm going to take this other brush. Oh, there we go. I feel like a human being. Well, there you have it. Here is my look for the Face Off with Karen Harris. I'm super excited to see what Karen comes up with. You guys will definitely have to go check out her channel. I really do enjoy her swatch party videos, her eyeshadow palette collection videos, her just talking about eyeshadow palettes in general. I think it is fantastic, and I sometimes am jealous of all the eyeshadow palettes she owns, but it's fun to see what she picks up, what she thinks of the eyeshadow palettes, and things like that. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you're from Karen's channel, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Well, thank you again, and bye!